1.4 Story Time Yash and Moti. Students, today we are going to read and understand this lesson. Before beginning, I would like to know, do you have pet in your home? Yeah, I know you cannot reply to this video, but while listening to my voice, you can reply to yourself, yes or no. If yes, so which pet do you have? Parrot, fish, rabbit, cat, dog. Oh, or you don't have any of them? Shall I say some are answering, some are not answering, some are just looking at my video? No expressions? Anyways, let's begin with this lesson. First paragraph. Listen and repeat. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. Explanation. Once there was a boy named Yash. He must be around of your age, 7 to 8 years of old. One day, his mother bought him a new pair of shoes. He was very happy. That night, he went to sleep early. Next day, he woke up soon and went outside his house to wear the same shoes. When he came outside, there was an only one shoe there. The other one was missing. He looked everywhere. He was very sad and started crying loudly. Students, I hope this much is clear to you. Next paragraph. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and soaked. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, "Woo woo!" Yash looked at Moti. Moti, have you seen my shoe? Explanation. So Yash couldn't find his shoe. He sat outside on the doorstep. He started sobbing. Here, sobbing means crying loudly. As we know, Yash had a pet dog Moti. He came towards the Yash and started wagging his tail. Wagging means to move an animal's tail to and fro. Moti barked at Yash. Who? Yash cryingly asked Moti, Moti, have you seen my shoe? Students, I hope this much is clear to you. Next paragraph. Boo! Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. Explanation. So Moti barked and took Yash to a nearby tree in the front yard. Front yard means a place or a piece of a land in front of the house. Now, what did the Yash see? Yash saw a hole under the tree. He was surprised. Can you tell me why he was surprised? Look into the picture. He was surprised because he saw his shoe in the hole under the tree. Who carried it there? Any idea? Yes, a big fat rat. Yash was happy. Yash felt relief. He picked his shoe and went home with his dog. I hope this much is clear to you, students. Last paragraph. Thank God, he said. The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition. Woo! Moti agreed. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. Explanation. Finally, after reaching home, Yash is thanking to the God for getting back his new shoe as it was in a same condition. Here is the word nibble. Nibble means to cut off with teeth or with sharp teeth. Along with that, Yash is thanking Moti, his pet dog, too. Because without Moti, he wouldn't have found his new shoe. There is a saying that a dog is a man's best friend. Students, here I have a question for you. I would like to know if your shoe is taken away by the rat and you have got it back, will you wear it or you will demand a new pair of shoe from your parents? I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.